Now we are going to see how to create a Entra SSO configuration using the OneIDP solution suite under Scalefusion. Click on the new SSO configuration. Select the Entra logo. Click on Configure. Enter the name for your application. Select the domain. Under SSO Scope Management, you can configure the enforcement rules and the user assignment for Entra. Under Permissions, you can straight up click on Grant Permissions. As we have signed in with our Microsoft Entra admin account, it will automatically grant those permissions. Click on Next. Under the SSO settings, these are optional settings that you can skip for Entra. You can even set the conditional access settings, the user portal settings, and then the user facing messages. Once you've saved the configuration, you can then update the federation so that OneIDP is set as the SAML provider for these applications.